Hello there, this is Alfonso from AXM again. Um, I got an email from one of my followers. He wanted to know how I make these perfect segments of this model. And by the way, this is a booster for an Atlas V rocket, and it has a peculiar top, which is not the usual cone shape, but in this case it's curved, and it's pretty neat. So designing it was a little bit of a challenge. Very straightforward. I decided to make it in segments, and here they are. So if you can see this segment, here are the three segments: 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and each segment has a connector part with these triangular tabs that would allow to join to the next segment. So I'll show you how to curve them, how to mold them, and how to put them together.